As Lady Galadriel said in Lord of the Rings, the world has changed. I feel it in the water, earth, and air. The world has changed indeed. We're using technologies that our ancestors couldn't even imagine using. The advent of the computer alone is a scientific miracle itself. With such advancing technologies, machines are taking over the reign. Even if you're sitting alone in your room, are you really alone if you have Alexa or Siri there to talk to? Artificial intelligence is a new era. You're probably even using a lot of it without even realizing it. Your mobile phones, laptops, home appliances, even your whole office could be using artificial intelligence. In today's video, we're going to look at 7 of the top AI trends of 2021. As always, if you have any questions as you watch this video, let us know in the comments down below. Also, let us know if there's any other trends that we could add to this list. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Let's jump into it. First, we're going to look at automation and robotics. Automation and robotics have been here for quite some time. Many restaurants introduced robots that could take your order or service you food. We also saw surgeons performing remote surgeries thanks to AI and robotics. While still facing the ongoing pandemic in 2021, many companies have been at a loss. So a lot of them are deciding to turn their businesses as much as they can. So many businesses use robotics and automation technologies to run. For example, Uber Eats has started deploying drone robots to deliver contact-free delivery. And Amazon has deployed several automated robots in their warehouses for better efficiency and supply chain systems. Ford has introduced robots that can deliver parcels even if someone lives upstairs. Some other companies are developing self-driving cars and ships. Next, we're going to look at cloud computing. Cloud computing and artificial intelligence have become a constant in our lives. We're using digital assistants like Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, Google Home, and these assistants have become a part of our busy lives. It's almost like we can't perform a task without their help these days. From booking appointments to ordering food online or even to listening to music, these assistants are there for us. These digital assistants are modeled using artificial intelligence and cloud resources. We would now be able to replicate our computer resources with a single click. We'll choose what scale our computing should have, even if we want to add extra large amounts of data and memory in a single database. Cloud services like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, IBM Cloud Computing, etc. have provided deep insights about machine learning, AI models and their algorithms, and other related digital services to emerging businesses. The emerging business models in 2021 will use cloud-based services and artificial intelligence for an efficient problem-solving mechanism, more revenues, and better productivity. The third we're going to look at is healthcare. The healthcare has constantly been evolving with the latest AI technology in their departments. The world was not ready when the pandemic hit, and healthcare professionals had a tough time handling the entire situation. There was a massive risk for doctors and nurses getting infected or overworked in such difficult times. Sometimes the patients would also miss out on the dosages that could be lethal to them. Incorporating the latest AI measures into healthcare facilities helps ensure that all patients are correctly evaluated, diagnosed, and treated. Their medical records would be thoroughly scanned to assess any future dangers. This will also help the relevant doctors to know if their patients have been missing appointments. Google has already created AlphaFold 2, which is a deep learning AI tool that would recreate 3D DNA structures to allow scientists to understand more about viruses, diseases, and how to prevent them from spreading, as well as creating an antidote for them. Next, we're going to look at computer vision. Governments could implement computer vision on the streets, roads, parks, and every other public place. An example of how this technology could be used could be to ensure that people are adhering to social distancing, also possibly diagnosing some of the people who may have the symptoms. It could also help local governments track the COVID hotspot areas to prevent large gatherings on such sites. This new emerging AI technology has the potential to become a big industry in the coming years. Number 5, MarTech. Marketing technology is one of the highest trending AI fields in 2021 and is likely to remain so in the coming years. The primary purpose of MarTech is simple: to achieve marketing goals. Computational powers are used to predict analytics. This will help businesses to know better what their customer is up to. You can personalize expected responses for potential customers. Also, conversational AI and chatbots are now providing a better customer experience based on customers' behavior, emotions, and other metrics. Tracking options inside our phones, wearable devices, browsers, computers, and other sources collect more information about us and provide to the markets. Edge AI. In edge computing, a customer would use gadgets to transfer information to other places. For instance, a device would be connected to data storage and servers. Someone can then use these gadgets to access data from different points and also put data into them. There would be no need to send data to another processing node since each device would do data processing independently. This real-time phenomenon is even more powerful than cloud computing. Edge computing would operate as nodes. These nodes would be deployed in different areas with a central mini server acting as a bridge between the cloud and the service provider. Edge AI combines artificial intelligence and edge computing. The AI algorithms are run on devices capable of edge computing. This allows data to be processed in real time without having to connect to a cloud. And last but certainly not least, cybersecurity. The internet is never a safe place. Just when we think our internet is now secure, another massive cyber attack debunks the idea. It's been happening for years where hackers would infiltrate large companies and steal their sensitive, confidential data. AI can prove to be a powerful tool, especially in 2021. It can decipher hacking patterns and inform the victims of abnormal behavior. People are now using digital assistants to perform their tasks at home to control private data better. Also, training people in AI algorithms can help people from their home offices better tackle these nosy hackers. People must remain vigilant against these hackers and not fall prey to the hands of them. Try to use AI-based cybersecurity systems for up-to-date information about threats and how to counter them. So there we have it. These are 7 of the highest trending AI technologies in 2021. Which of these are you most excited about? As always, if you still have any questions or any more that we could have added to our list, let us know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video or found it interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.